Okay children, in this video I am going to tell you that how you are going to do the copy work of geometry, because this is the first time you are using your geometry copies, so the instructions should be followed very carefully. So I am going to start from the beginning. As I open the copy of the geometry, on this page you don't have to do anything, leave this page as it is. And then the second page, which will be your interleaf page, here you have to write down the midterm. Then you have to write down the topics which you are going to cover in midterms geometry, and don't worry about that from where you are going to write down all these things. I am going to share one PPT file along with the assignment, and in that PPT one by one, page wise, each and everything is present which you have to copy it down as it is in your geometry copies, as I have done it over here. This will be your title pages. First the midterm heading, then the topics are going to be written like this. You can use any dark color you want to use. Then the next page, from the next page you are going to start your definitions which are present in your PPT file. Over here, make sure one thing, that in the geometry copies the line page is for writing your text and the interleaf page is for making the drawings, as I have done it over here. Then the most important thing, whenever you are going to make any kind of drawing, you have to use the drawing pencil. You have to use the sharp pencil, and then the scale should be set straight for making the drawings, making the lines on the interleaf page. This is the first page. Then the second page is this, on which your basic geometrical terms which you have seen in the video right now is going to come, as I have done it over here. Make sure your writing should be this much clear, and your diagrams as well. The most important thing in your geometry diagrams is this, that they should be neat, the pencil should be sharp, and the labeling must be done very carefully, as I have done it over here for the sample. Then parallel lines, the diagram should be present in front of the definition, as I have done it over here. And then your most important thing, symbols of line, straight line, line segment, ray and parallel lines. This table must be drawn as it is and must be learned as it is, because these symbols are very important. Then you have your assignment number 1 over here. Assignment number 1 heading will come on the red line, then topic heading, question, and then because in this assignment 6 questions are present, so not more than 3 questions will come on one page. These line segment must be drawn in front of the question over here on interleaf page. Now the question is that how you are going to draw the line segment. That tutorial, that video I have already shared with you. It is present with your assignment. You can go and watch that video as well. 3 questions will come on one page, and the next 3 questions will come on the next page. In this way you will do your copy work in the geometry copy. Please follow the instructions as it is, and make sure that your writing should be very neat and readable. Till here I have to just explain this one. Please watch all the videos and then start your assignment. How to draw the parallel lines, I'm going to explain in the second lecture with the second assignment. Till then, all the best and take care of yourselves.